Hi there, this is Dr. John Whitcomb with News and Nutrition. Our topic today is on artificial sweeteners and dementia. Bummer. This is actually a follow-up study of several thousand people from the Framingham Heart Study. It was a 10-year follow-up, and it was assessing their risk of stroke and dementia in regard to drinking sugared and artificial sodas. What they found was, to my horror, that in fact one measly little diet soda a day and your risk of dementia goes up threefold. Well, 2.87, not quite 3. How does that happen? It's like we know sugar's bad for you, and actually one of the weaknesses of the study is it seemed to show that sugar was no problem. And of course, immediately all sorts of folks come out saying, wait a minute, the soda industry comes out with all of its lobbyists trying to make hay with it. And there may be some truth to the hay, but the study still remains. And there is a plausible explanation for it. And the explanation goes as follows. There's good evidence that if you drink a diet soda a day, you get fat. Do you know that? Avoiding the calories of a soda does not help you. The flavor sweet triggers your brain probably to release insulin. That lowers your blood sugar a little bit, which means 4 hours later you eat more. There's good evidence to show that just happens. So drinking diet soda makes you fat. We also know that tummy fat puts out amyloid precursor protein. So as you get fatter, you make more amyloid precursor protein. Amyloid precursor protein, what ends up in your brain, making dementia. So there is a plausible explanation. You drink diet soda, you will get weight, you will gain weight, you will get a bigger tummy, you will get fat. This is horrible. What will work for me? Well, the day I read that article, I just driven 200 miles and drunk a 32-ounce big gulp of Diet Pepsi to keep me awake. I should have gotten out and walked around rest stops twice instead of drinking that soda. So I am determined to get off all sorts of artificial sweeteners. Is stevia just as bad? We don't have a clue, but it's still the flavor sweet. I'm trying to find flavors that I can get used to that I enjoy, not based on sweet. Thank you. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about News and Nutrition and diet sodas give you dementia.